can actually work with a closed path. And so I'm going to come over here and we'll do an ellipse. And I will make a circle like so. And let's make this one a different color. We've got enough green going on. Let's make something that's kind of red. There we go. All right. So I've got this now a circle happening. And I will go to Effects and 3D and Revolve. And of course, we want to have our preview. Now, what have I got here? It might look like sort of a fat donut, if you will. This is a 3D primitive shape called a torus. If I offset this a little bit, you can see I'm getting, there we go. There's our donut, or our inner tube. Again, called a torus in 3D terms. And so you can see right there that working with a closed path, I'm probably going to offset it, and it's like it's rotating around this this central point right there. So that's what we have, and you can see in the wireframe very easily that original circle and how it sort of gets made, right? And of course, the more you offset it, the larger that hole in the middle is going to get. Make sort of a ring or something. So you can actually do quite a bit with Illustrator working with 3D shapes. The big thing to do is to kind of calculate out in your mind, deconstruct the shape you want to make, and see if you can make it with using Revolve or Extrude. And you probably can come up with quite a few things here. You can see that let's do this, and now let's change the angle, and so now you can see what we're doing here, right? So this is how we can take these various tools and adjust them to kind of do quite a lot of stuff here. And notice how here's our cap. Let me turn the cap off. There we go. If I turn the cap off, actually this thing is hollow. So you can actually look down. That's the inside of this tube going around there. That's with the cap off. I turn that back on. Now it actually closes it up. So that's you can see how the cap would work in a situation like this. Notice how, again, we can adjust the highlight intensity to make it look kind of shinier. If I go to diffuse shading, we're going to get rid of that nice, what's called a specular highlight. So you probably want to keep that on, but it all depends on what you're looking for. And adjust the lights here, add more lights, do all kinds of stuff. That's kind of a nice look right there, right? And we'll say, okay. So that's another type of shape that we can make.